Hello friends, in this video I will show how to select a translation voice in Skype. Open your Skype application, click on these three dots, here click on settings. Now here in left side panel general, scroll down, click on translation settings. Now here you can change and set as your requirement translation voice. When a voice is translated into other language, it is spoken by your machine translator. Select the Skype of voice. Select the style of voice you would like to hear, like female or male. Now close and restart your system. So this is the way guys you can select a translation voice in Skype. Thanks for watching.